Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nana.
Good evening.
Good evening, all. So very good. 10th and 11th, no solution. Because sine theta is equal to, see, as far as 10th question is
Good
concerned.
evening, sir.
Very good evening. Sine theta equals to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 5 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 2. So that means 1.6 approximately. That means sine theta is greater than 1. It cannot be.
It won't happen, sir.
Not be. Sine theta is always lies in between -1, 1.
-1, 1.
No solution.
No.
No solution. Similarly, as far as the 11th is concerned, -7 by 4. So -7 by 4 means that actually -1, 3, 7, 1.7. So sine theta is equal to -1.7. That means sine theta is less than -1. It cannot be.
Minus.
Okay. So that means it has no solution. No solution. So that means the sine theta value should lie between -1, 1 only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You might have solved 6th problem,
Yes.
7th problem, and 8th problem, and 9th problem. So now,
Sixth one.
yes, I will switch over to the next concept. Wait, Nana. Next concept. I will discuss next concept.
6th one is
Shall I explain?
no,
No,
sir. We completed, sir.
concept, sir.
6th one, shall I explain?
No, sir.
No,
Go
sir. -5 by 4, sir.
Okay. That you can do it. Right. Now, next important point. For the equation cos theta equals to k. Cos theta equals to k. -1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 1. That means cos theta value will be defined only when cos theta lies between -1 comma 1 itself only. So next, see, the principal value lies in closed 0 comma pi. Closed 0 comma closed pi means closed interval means 0 included, pi included, and in between 0 comma pi. That means principal value cannot be negative angle, you remember. But in the case of sine, it may be negative. But in the case of cos, it should not be negative. But the principal value must lie between 0 to pi. 0 to pi means first quadrant and second quadrant. So then, and also, and general solution is given by theta is equal to. So now we need to derive a formula to find out general solution of the cos theta is equal to k. So let us proceed for the proof. Let alpha be the principal value of cos theta is equal to k. So that is,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. We can say cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Because principal values satisfy this equation also. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Bring cos alpha this side. What do we get? Cos theta minus cos
Cos
alpha
theta
is
minus
equal
cos alpha is equals to 0.
to 0. So we have one formula.
Cos C minus
Cos
cos
C
D.
minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sine of C plus D by 2.
Sine of C plus D by 2.
Sin of
Sine
c
of
minus d by 2. Sin of
of
c
D.
Sine of D minus C by
Minus
2. Sine of D minus C by 2. So that's why this can be written as like this. 2 sine of
2 sin of theta
Not
plus alpha by 2 sin
theta
of
plus
theta minus
alpha by
alpha
2
by 2
sin
is
of
equals
theta
to
minus
0.
sine alpha minus theta by 2 is equal to
Is equals to 0.
0. Right? Now what do you get now here? So or we can write like this also. Better you can write this one. Cos alpha minus cos theta is equal to 0 also we can write. If you multiply negative sign on both sides, then it becomes what? Then we can write this one as, it will be convenient for us, theta minus alpha by 2.
Sin of theta minus alpha by 2.
Correct? So now the two cases will arise. Case 1, sine theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. Right.
Sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equals to 0.
On that let us later we shall discuss. Now the sine theta plus alpha by 2 equal to, we can write sin n pi. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Where n belongs to integer, z, integers. So that means theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to, we can write n pi. By cross multiplication, theta plus alpha is equal to 2n pi.
2n pi minus alpha.
No, theta is equal to 2n pi minus alpha. According to the case 1. According to the case 1. Now let us do case 2 here only. Now case 2. So wait for a while. I will move this to this side now. So okay now, clear? It will be convenient for us. Now we shall discuss case 2. Case 2 equals to, we can say sine of theta minus alpha by 2 is also 0. So we can write sine of theta minus alpha by 2 equals to sine n pi. Am I correct? So now theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to n pi. Cross multiplication. Theta minus alpha is equal
Theta
to
minus alpha is equals to 2n pi.
theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha.
2n pi minus plus
Now
alpha.
we need to combine these two solutions, 1 and 2. That's why the general solution of cos theta is equal to k. For example, if alpha is the principal value, then we can say that general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Can I say like this? Either minus or plus.
Yes.
So now that means now so from equations 1 and 2, so we have general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Now tell me, if sin theta is equal to k, what is the general solution of sin theta is equal to k?
2n pi plus or minus.
2n pi plus or 2n pi plus or minus alpha.
2n pi plus or minus alpha.
I ask, see the question. If sin theta is equal to k, what is the general solution? This is cos
N
theta is
pi
equal to
plus
k. I asked sin
one.
theta is
n
equal
pi
to k.
plus or minus n
N,
whole
yes,
power n.
n pi
Minus
plus
1 power n alpha.
n pi
Alpha.
plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. But here this is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. This is for cos theta. Clear? For sin theta is different.
Yes.
This is the second formula we derived.
Sir.
This is the second formula. Okay, let us solve some examples now.
Sir, one should be 4th page.
So now proof is clear.
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.